Are you looking forward to improve your English? If you want, then I would say you can learn English language without spending even a single penny. Yes, friends, you heard it right. Because this is a social media era, and in this era, finding co-learner, finding study materials, or finding, the way, it is very easy to improve our English language. It is very easy. So how we can improve our English without spending even a single penny? Firstly, I would say how I improved my English. I improved my English the same way. I didn't join any spoken classes. I didn't buy any extra materials for reading, writing, for doing everything. I didn't have that much idea at the time, but I started from the scratch, and right now I can speak English confidently. Because I improved my English by using social media, and that social media helped me to become fluent or get confidence as well. So here is one question: how we can improve our English without spending even a single penny? Guys, you have to utilize your phone right way. If you have your phone, then finding each and everything, it is very easy, and there's no need to go and join any other resources like coaching classes. I would say in my case, I was not so privileged that I can go anywhere and join any spoken classes, because in this village there's no any spoken English classes. So I can't go and join it, because I don't have that much time also, and also I don't have that much money, so I can't go. And if I have to go and join, then I have to go other city, because in this village no any classes, spoken classes, then I can speak English or learn. That is why I used to learn English by using social media. Used to listen I used to listen a lot and a lot on social media from YouTube. I started listening, story types of videos, and sometimes I watched movies and podcast, conversation. I used to watch, listen many times. Once I started, it was very difficult for understanding, but after passing some days, some month, I can understand. So you can improve your English by using your social media, but you have to utilize your phone, you have to listen every day. Okay, then you can improve your English. And if I would say finding co-learner, because finding co-learner, it is very difficult. So how we can find by using any application, I would say. And I also want to recommend you only one application which I know, AC Fluency app, because this app helped me to improve my English and also confidence. That is why. And at that time I used to a lot. Also I using nowadays also I'm using, and I want to use, because in this application I can connect with many strangers. Then I can speak English and become fluent, because in this application a lot of uh, people, teachers, they can teach us. So this application, it was very beneficial for me, and I also want to use in my future day, because I have to learn a lot of things. I'm not enough, my English is not up to the mark. That is why I want to use in my future day. So you should try it, this application. And if you want, you can uh, get subscription. If you don't want, you can use freely, but this application provides some limited time. Okay, but I would say this application, it is very beneficial for beginners, so you can go and join it. If you have any other application, then it is also good for you. You can go and talk with peoples. This way you can find co-learner and make friends also. So finding co-learner in this social media, it is very easy. And the other way, I would say, how we can improve our reading. We can improve our reading by reading books, Or if you don't want to buy any books, then you should read any article, novel, or story lesson just by using social media, using Google, maybe ChatGPT, Gemini. A lot of application they are available to provide us a lot of materials. Okay, so we have to use our phone in a perfect way that we can learn something, we can achieve something knowledge. A lot of people, they are wondering, they are using their phone just for scrolling reels and watching unnecessary things, watching movie or a lot of things according to their interest. But if you want to learn, if you want to speak English, then you have to utilize your phone, and you should watch only beneficial content, like English related content. Then you can make your own environment as well. I know i know in initially it will be difficult, but by passing some day you will feel some improvement. Okay, so this way we don't have to go anywhere and join any spoken classes. Actually, I don't want to say you should not join any spoken classes. If you want, then you can go, because I don't have that much idea of this language, and I don't have that much uh, you know money for go anywhere, because in this village there's no any coaching classes. So I would say I'm not so privileged. I should learn English by using my phone, because at that time I had only one thing, which is I had my phone. Okay, so I used to use my phone in a perfect way that we can improve my English. Also I'm using, and also I want to use in my future day. So you can use also. If I can speak by using social media, then why you not? Also you can speak English better than me. You can become fluent early if you don't have any other work, if you are a fast learner. Okay, so it is a very easy to learn English, to improve English just by using social media. You should listen, you should write, you should watch movies according to your interest, but you can learn. Okay, and follow some beneficial pages, and that can provide knowledge for improve our English, so that will help to improve and acquire knowledge. And after passing some days, some months, you will feel some knowledge will accumulated. You know, you will also feel some improvement just by passing some months. Early it will feel some boring, some feel frustrated, and you will feel it is very difficult, it is not my cup of tea, I should go join. But once you start, some after passing some months, some times if you give, then you will feel improvement. So just use, because in this social media we have find a lot of things. We can find grammar, how we can learn grammar, we can improve our tenses, and you can find how we can talk with person, how we can introduce ourselves. A lot of videos available on social media, a lot of teachers, they are teaching us, or their teaching style, their teaching method, it is very easy, then we can understand easily without any extra efforts. So I would say I don't like to go any other city and go join spoken classes, because I have a lot of resources just by using social media. So I prefer to use social media for learning English. And in this uh, era, I can find co-learners, I can make online friends, I can use posts, or I can learn from YouTube, from Google, from ChatGPT, Gemini. A lot of things here is available. That is why today I am able to speak English confidently. So use your mobile and start utilizing, immerse yourself for learning English language. And for joining any spoken classes, firstly we have to get admission, then we have to pay some money, and when we have to get ready every day, and then we have to go. After that, all the things. And for using social media, we don't have to get admission, we don't have to go. We have to just make discipline, we have to just make a routine and a habit. Okay, then we can learn English easily. And if I would say, if we are learning English by using social media, then it will be very beneficial for us. Then why not? Okay, so I recommend that it is very beneficial for you, and also I am using this, then please try it and improve your English. I hope you understand each and everything which I wanted to share. I tried my best, and you can see this is evening time, and after some minutes my face will not visible. That is why I want to interrupt this video here. So I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.